In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Pokemon Go app. If you are experiencing any issue with your app, maybe you can't play or the app is too slow or maybe it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix any issue with your app, first you need to access the app info page. You can do this by going to settings. And from settings, scroll down to apps and you can see, and then here you should see a list of all the apps, or if you don't see, look for manage apps or all apps option. And now search for your app by name. So I'll just search for Pokemon and you can see we are on the app info page. If you can't see this app info page, let me show you a shortcut method to get there. For that, just go to your app and long press on it and you should see app info here. If you don't see this option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Pokemon Go app info page. At this point, go to force stop app. This will stop any background activities that might be running, and then go to clear data and then clear cache. Again, go to clear data and clear all data here. Once you're done, you need to restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Pokemon Go app, now it should be working without any issue. However, should this not fix your issue, then you might want to check if we have an update from Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store, search for the app and update the app to the latest version. But in case your problem is the app still keeps on crashing or stopping, then you will need to uninstall the app and install it afresh to fix any issue with your app. Now, once you are done with all these processes, go to your app and now you should be able to play games without any issue on Pokemon Go app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.